Welcome to RD Home. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths. See here, exercise 11.1, question number 7. Given cot theta is equal 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And one more problem, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. First of all, once you can see here, cot theta is equal 7 by 8. First of all, once you can draw a triangle, right angle triangle. See here, just I consider here, right angle triangle. See, for example, if I am taking A, B, C. ABC is a right angle triangle. Just I consider here angle A is equal theta. Just for example, I am taking here C, angle A. That means angle BAC is equal theta. They mentions here cot theta is equal to how much? 7 by 8. That means you can write here given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. See here, cot theta means, what is the formula of cot theta? See here, cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. See here, adjacent side of the angle theta by opposite side of the angle theta is equal to 7 by 8. Once you can observe here, what is the adjacent side of the angle theta? Is it AB or not? Yes, so that you can take here AB is equal to 7 units. Next you can see here, what is the opposite side of the angle theta? What is the exactly opposite? Is it BC or not? Yes, you can take here BC is equal to 8 units. Once you can find that AC, you know that in a right angle triangle from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal sum of the squares of the other two sides are not. Yes, you can write here in triangle ABC, let angle BAC is equal theta. I am taking here let angle BAC is equal theta from Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. See here AB value is how much? 7. 7 square plus 8 square. 7 square is how much? 49 plus 8 square is how much? 64. That means you can see here 4 plus 9 is 13. Here 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 113. AC square is equal to 113 implies AC is equal square root of 113. AC value is how much? Root 113. That means here hypotenuse is how much? Root 113. Now you need to find here, see, sin theta and cos theta value. See, what is the sin theta value? Once you can see here, first of all you can write here sin theta. You know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. See here, opposite side. What is the side opposite to angle theta? 8. What is the hypotenuse? Root 113. That means you can write here 8 by root 113. See here 8 by root 113. Next, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. is equal to, see here cos theta adjacent side will be AB. AB by AC means you will get 7 by root 113 only. Yes or no? You can write it 7 by root 113. Now you need to solve this problem. 1 plus sin theta. Therefore, you can write here the given question 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal. Once you can observe here, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b or not. A plus b into a minus b or not. Yes, that means a plus b into a minus b means you can write identity as a square minus b square or not. Yes, you can write here 1 square minus sin theta whole square by 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Just you need to substitute the values now. See here 1 square is how much? 1 only. Minus sin theta value is how much? 8 by root 113. 8 by root 113 whole square by 1 square is how much? 1 only. Minus cos theta means 7 by root 113 whole square. Now you need to simplify this problem. That means you can write here 1 minus here 8 square is how much? 64 by root 113 whole square means square root will be cancelled. You will get here how much? 113 by here 1 minus 7 square is how much? 49 by root 113 whole square means square root will be cancelled. You are getting here also 113. Once you can observe here 1 only, here also 1 only. That means here denominator 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 113? 113 only. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can write here 113 as denominator. See 113 into 1 how much? 113 minus 64 into 1. If you want you can write here 1 by 1. Here also you can write 1 by 1 only. Just you can do cross multiplication. 64 into 1. 64 only. That means 113 minus 64 by 113. Here 113 into 1 how much? 113 only. Minus 49 into 1 how much? 49 by here how much? 113. See here 113 minus 64 is equal to how much here? 3 minus 4. It's not possible. You can take it 13. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9 only. See here next you can see here 10. 10 minus 6 is how much? 49. 49 by 113 by see here 3 minus 9. It's not possible. You can take it 13. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4 only. Here 10. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. 64 by 113. That means you can see here you can write here 49 by 113 into 113 by 64. Just you can write here reciprocal of this number 64 by 113 reciprocal 113 by 64 only. Just I am doing here multiplication. See if there any possibility you can simplify it. See here 113 should be cancelled. Next you can write here that means 49 by 64 is your solution. 49 by 64. Now you can see here second one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Just you can substitute sin theta and cos theta values. Sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113. Here cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113. You can simplify it. See here just 1 means you can write here 1 by 1. What is the LCM of 1 and root 113? You will get root 113 only. That means root 113. Now you can see root 113 into 1. Root 113 plus 8 into 1 how much? 8 only. By 7 by root 113. That means once again I am writing see. A root 113 plus 8. root 113 plus 8 by root 113. See, instead of division I am writing here multiplication. I am multiplication with reciprocal of the denominator. What is the reciprocal of denominator? 7 by root 113 means root 113 by 7. If there any possibility, you can simplify root 113 cancel. That means here root 113 plus 8 means I am writing 8 plus root 113 by 7 1 ja 7 only. This is your solution of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta value is how much? 8 plus root 113 by 7 is your solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist.